Namaste. Greetings to all of you. Wishing you a very good morning, and let this day be a blessed day for all of us. May abundance and prosperity shower through this day. Namaste. Sutra number 7. Unregulated fear tends to make people violent or nasty. Often these people are internally weak. Fear tends to make people react excessively. This is something very, very special. We need to understand really what is written within these words. We need to understand this part. Unregulated fear, meaning uncontrolled fear. Now, if you put fire as an example, if the fire goes uncontrolled, it can destroy many things. Fear is also something like that. It makes people violent or nasty. How can fear make a person nasty or violent? Now, the moment if somebody feels that the other person is a threat, if you just feel the presence of the other person is a threat for you or somebody, now this person is so fearful, will not want to interact with this person in the initial stage. Because the person is so full of fear about this person, his mind will start thinking too many things. What if the person does this? What if the person does this? So your mind is full of what? Your mind is filled with too many things that is not connected with reality. So when it comes to a point you think this person can really harm you or hurt you, in order to protect oneself, the person may become excessively violent or nasty. If you look at it, these kind of mindsets happen to very weak people. That is why if you look at the worst of violence that has happened, it is not necessarily from very strong people. It is from very weak people. People who think their survival depends on other people. If those people become stronger, they may destroy us. If such attitude comes into the mind, they can gang up and then go destroy these people just to survive. This survival instinct is very strongly there in animals also. You might have seen certain times buffaloes, which are normally domesticated animals, when they're attacked by lions, a group of lions, sometimes in order to survive, they can become so violent to the extent they can tear the lions into pieces with the horns. Fear tends to make people react excessively. In other words, the person will not be able to become extremely excessive. And the word is crazy, right? You do too many things not in connection with reality. Excessive, very excessive. Why do you react like that? Out of fear, out of anxiety. What if something worse happens? Now this is weak-mindedness. So this is a good reminder. So if you see around yourself people who are very weak, you have to be very careful in handling them. Because if you're putting too strict rules and guidelines, and if they think that your rules and guidelines are correct or helpful, but they cannot survive there because they tend to break these rules and regulations, what they do is, instead of trying to prepare themselves to regulate themselves and follow the rules, they try to hurt the person who put the rules. This is the nature of people who are emotionally polarized. They react excessively. So the teacher is trying to remind us, don't be reactive. Just regulate your fear. And then when your mind is calm and quiet, you take a decision. This idea will help you. Wish you a great day. Atma Namaste.